Alright guys, how you doing? Welcome to Cars with Jay. I'm outside, windy today out here. I'm hop on this 2008 Chevy Impala. Still overheating. I had to put a video up about the radiator I replaced on here, but right now I gotta burp it. I'm gonna show you guys a little burping process, and let me know what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel, like it, share, comment. I'll talk back. I'm not afraid to indulge with the people out there, and I ain't afraid to mess up, you know. But I do all my work correctly. Got my big thing right here. Yeah, that's my baby right there. She take care of me. If I'm saying it correct, it's SETI. They're a good one. I've been using that one for about a year or two now. Pretty good. And we're gonna take this top off the D cap. Another D. Okay, so you do put this in first, and you put that on top. Screw that all the way down. You know my motto: lefty loosey, righty tighty. Her right in here. I already had some coolant in there. Did I pre-got? And she is started. We're gonna get her to operating temperature.